This is a 2-pound bag of organic long grain Jasmine white rice from Lundberg Family Farms. And I'm gonna cook some up right now in a second and show you what it looks like after the fact, but let me show you what it looks like before the fact as well. Oh yes, I love rice. I eat rice pretty much almost daily. I say maybe a couple days out of the month I don't eat rice, maybe. So I'm gonna cook some up in my rice cooker, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. It has a unique little reseal bag. It has like a lot of teeth on it. Can you see that? It's not Velcro. They fit, like, you know, they kind of go into each other like that. Pretty cool. So it seems to be really strong. So let me show you what it looks like after it's done being cooked. I'll see you in a bit. All right, rice is done. And let's see. Still has some wetness on the top of it. I like to put a little bit more water. I double it up and then I put a little bit more if I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. That's how I do it, because I'm going to put this in the fridge and I will eat it later. So if I'm going to eat it right immediately, I just double up the water. But if I'm going to put it in the fridge, I put a little more. Excellent. I hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.